The Mastercraft brand has been around for more than a century. But are these the right tires for your ride? Here are reviews of the most popular Mastercraft tires, so you can make the right choice. To choose from, there are a variety of best Mastercraft tires review, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best Mastercraft tires review from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Mastercraft A SIV Tire. The Mastercraft A SIV is an all-season entry-level tire designed for subcompacts, compacts, mid-size sedans, and small crossovers. This tire is equipped with an all-weather tread pattern with unique gripping edges to enhance traction on wet or dry pavement, featuring wide circumferential grooves that quickly channel water away from the treads for responsive handling on wet roads. This tire also has variable size treads to reduce noise on the highway. It wasn't hard finding a test vehicle fitted with Mastercraft A SIV tires. I got my hands on a 2006 Honda Civic, fitted with stock 15-inch wheels and Mastercraft A SIV tires. Dry traction and handling were good, and traction in the wet wasn't bad either. In my opinion, there are other tires that offer more grip in the wet, but this level of wet grip is acceptable for the average driver. Noise and comfort levels are also average in my book. The tires were quiet at slow speeds, but I noticed a bit more tire roar on the highway. They also gave a comfy ride, as long as you avoid minor road undulations. The tires seemed to get confused dealing with potholes and rough pavement. They were smooth and quiet on good roads at slow speeds, but they hump and thump when faced with minor road irregularities. This tire is backed by a 40,000-mile tread wear protection warranty. Number 2. Mastercraft Strategy Tire. The Mastercraft Strategy is a touring performance tire with a friendly price tag. If you do a lot of driving on the highway, then you should definitely consider upgrading to a quality set of touring tires, since they are designed to minimize tread wear as you drive. The Mastercraft Strategy is equipped with a notched center rib design and a unique tread element shape that helps in providing even tread wear, even as the miles pile up. The slots on the shoulders will help to improve handling, while the 4 circumferential grooves are engineered to enhance performance on wet roads. My test car is a gutsy 2005 Buick LeSabre Custom V6, fitted with stock 15-inch wheels and Mastercraft Strategy tires. I have always loved the comfort and space of the LeSabre, especially when cruising on an open highway. The Mastercraft Strategy tires were comfortable and quiet even at higher speeds. Traction and grip on dry roads were good, while the tires didn't lose their composure when pushed hard during heavy rains. The owner of the LeSabre was also pleased with the performance of the tires. He said the tread wear was excellent, since the tires still look fresh even after 5,000 miles. Number 3. Mastercraft Avenger GT Tire. I previously stated above that I got the chance to drive a 1967 Ford Mustang fitted with the Mastercraft Avenger GT tires. One thing that I can tell you is that these tires look awesome, whether you choose the white letterings or the version with white sidewalls. If your daily driver is a badass muscle car, or if you are dressing up a muscle car for the show, you should definitely look into the Mastercraft GT. This tire has a solid notched center rib to improve tread wear and steering response. It is even engineered with a redistributed void ratio to increase the contact between the tire and the road to improve handling. Oh, and you can get solid burnouts as well. I didn't get the chance to push the car to the limit, but I managed to gather a bit of speed on the highway. This gave the chance to confirm that the Mastercraft Avenger GT is not purely for show, since it delivers good traction and grip on dry pavement. Number 4. Mastercraft Corsair HTR Plus Tire. It is important to note that the Mastercraft Corsair HTR and HTR Plus are not the same. The former is a touring tire that fits OEM specifications for SUVs and light trucks. The latter is the high-performance version designed for sporty trucks and SUVs. The Corsair HTR Plus is also perfect for plus-sized applications, which are common on most new trucks and sport utility vehicles. I got to test drive a 2013 Cadillac Escalade fitted with stock 18-inch wheels and Mastercraft Corsair HTR Plus tires. I guess that's a given with the Escalade on highway speeds, even though this SUV has a reputation for a rather firm and jiggly ride. Credit should be given to the Mastercraft Corsair HTR Plus, since the tires are engineered with varying number of shoulder elements, depending on the size of the tire. This feature is designed to reduce road noise and it seems to work well in this application. Traction and grip in dry conditions were good. The same can be said if you're faced with wet roads and heavy rains. The owner of the Escalade had a single complaint about the Mastercraft Corsair HTR Plus, advanced and rapid tread wear. Number 5. Mastercraft Corsair Axe Tire. The Mastercraft Corsair Axe is an all-terrain tire equipped with a more rugged and aggressive tread design. This tire is engineered to provide balanced all-season performance while providing advanced traction and handling on rough off-road terrain. Featuring a circumferential tread design equipped with wide zigzag grooves to enhance traction in mud and snow, the alternating shoulder scallops and buttress design will increase traction on demanding off-road conditions. I was elated when I was given the opportunity to test drive a 2011 Jeep Wrangler, fitted with 19-inch aftermarket wheels and chunky Mastercraft Corsair Axe tires. The tires were a bit noisy on the highway, and they were droning a bit on average city speeds, although traction and grip never ceased even on low and moderately high speeds. These are not mud tires by any means, but they were relentless when forging rocky terrain with loose soil, gravel, a bit of sand, and crawly vegetation. The Mastercraft Corsair Axe tires were a perfect match for the all-conquering persona of the Wrangler, especially on moderately rough off-road terrain. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.